Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abusive. 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 Abusive is an adjective used to describe behavior, language, or actions that are harmful, violent, or cruel towards someone or something. It indicates that the behavior is characterized by mistreatment or harm. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she endured years of abusive treatment in her previous relationship. Why abusive is used in example number 1. Abusive describes the harmful and mistreatment she experienced in her past relationship, emphasizing the severity of the treatment. Example number 2, abusive behavior in the workplace can lead to a toxic work environment. Why abusive is used in example number 2. Abusive to highlight the harmful conduct in the workplace and its potential impact on creating a toxic work environment. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.